coming out of there. Look at the dirt. Oh my God, Lucas, you're turning into flames. Look at the hallway.
Look at the mess you made. Your trouble.
Oh no, Lucas made a mess. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Everybody, 1, 2, 3.
Uh-oh.
Sitting there smiling.
He thinks it's all great.
Yeah.
Yeah, make a mess in Nana's house. No
Oh,
problem.
no.
Hey, you, get out of here. You're a house wrecker.
He's setting the carpet.
Oh my God.
You're making a
You
mess.
almost ruined. He's a home wrecker. He's a home wrecker. Get this kid out of here.
Whoa.
Eat your dinner and leave.
Lucas.
Oh my God. Thanks, Luke. I wanted that banged out. Lucas, there's toys over here, and you're playing with a string in the dirt.
That's what happens.
Now he's going to unravel my mat. Watch, he's going to pull that string, and the whole thing's going to unravel.
You wouldn't be surprised.
He's like, good, that's got dirt on it. I can eat it.
No, it's mine.
Imagine if that was in my mother's house.
Oh my God.
Holy moly.
Go put
Oh,
it up,
great. Now rub it into the floor. No problem. Yeah, I think that's his attempt at cleaning it. Thank you
Yes.
for cleaning, Lucas.
Yeah.
Lucas, thank you for cleaning that mess up. Oh,
Look at
no.
the
Thank you
glasses.
for cleaning up the mess. Thank you.
Hey, Luke, you want a
That
bouncy
was
ball?
very, very big of you. Oh, look. Let's play ball. Gabriella, let's play ball.
Oh,
Okay.
where are we going?